Today my topic is photorespiration. Photorespiration, this identified Decker in 1955. The release of carbon dioxide by soybean plants in presence of light and oxygen. So later several experiments proved that green plants in presence of light absorb oxygen similar to ordinary respiration and release carbon dioxide. So this type of respiration, so taking place in presence of light is called as photorespiration, and the exchange of gases is similar to ordinary respiration. In 1984, W.L. Ogren et al. 1984, he reported the dual role of Rubisco RUBP carboxylase or oxygenase, catalyzing both carboxylation and oxidation. So, the oxidative reaction Rubisco is uh, identified uh, as the primary reaction of photorespiration, as photosynthesis and photorespiration work in two opposite directions. Along with carbon dioxide fixation, carbon dioxide is also released. N.L. Tolbert et al. Explain the oxidative reactions and the partial recovery reactions of the fixed carbon. This is called as photorespiratory carbon oxidation cycle. This is called as PCO cycle also. So PCO cycle helps in the recovery of portion of fixed carbon dioxide lost due to oxidative reaction of Rubisco. So carbon dioxide and oxygen complete with the reactions center of Rubisco, but atmospheric concentrations of 21% of oxygen, 0.03% of carbon dioxide, and 25 degrees centigrade photosynthesis and photorespiration takes place in 3:1 ratio. So, the reactions of PCO cycle here shown. So, this is the photorespiration cycle. So, this is in mitochondria. So, this is mitochondria. This is peroxisome. This is chloroplast. So, in cell, mitochondria, peroxisomes, chloroplasts. So, in presence of oxygen, RUBP, carbon 5 carbons is oxidized in the presence of Rubisco to form one molecule of 3 phosphoglyceric acid C3. So, and one molecule of 2 phosphoglyceric acid C2. This reaction takes place in chloroplast. So, this is the chloroplast. So, here the so RUBP, it is the 5 carbon is oxidized in the presence of Rubisco. So 3 PGA, 3 phosphoglyceric acid. This is here 3 carbons are present. Next, one molecule of 2 phosphoglyceric acids. These are the 2 carbons are present. So this reactions takes place in only chloroplast. So RUBP plus oxygen give rise to 2 phosphoglycolate plus 3 phosphoglycerate plus 2 hydrogens. So So this is the reaction. RuBp plus oxygen give rise to 2 phosphoglycolate plus 3 phosphoglycerate plus 2 hydrogens. 2 phosphoglycolate in presence of specific phosphatases in hydrolyzed to glycolate. So 2 phosphoglycolate plus H2O give rise to glycolate plus HOPO3 phosphate. So glycolate moves from chloroplast and enters peroxisomes. So this glycolate enters into peroxisomes. This one glycolate enters into peroxisome with the help of special carrier proteins, where it is oxidized to glyoxylate and hydrogen peroxide in presence of glycolate oxidase enzyme. So glycolate, this glycolate plus oxygen give rise to glyoxylate plus H2O2. So the hydrogen peroxidase is broken down to water and oxygen in presence of enzyme, catalase enzyme. So this H2O2 catalase enzymes, so H2O plus O2. So these are the broken to water and oxygen with the help of catalase enzyme. So next the glyoxylate is converted to glycine by transamination and NH2 group required for the formation of the amino acid glycine is derived from glutamic acid. So this glyoxylate plus glutamine, it gave rise to glycine plus alpha ketoglutarate. So now glycine enters into mitochondria. This glycine enters into mitochondria from peroxisomes and from 2 glycine. These are glycine 2 glycine molecules, 1 molecule of serine. So 2 glycine molecules, 1 molecule of serine and carbon dioxide are formed. So this glycine acts as immediate source for carbon dioxide release in photorespiration. So carbon dioxide released in photorespiration. So glycine and NAD plus and H4 folate give rise to NADH plus hydrogen plus carbon dioxide plus NH3 plus methylene H4 folate. So methylene H4 folate plus glycine plus water give rise to serine plus H4 folate. So the serine formed in this manner enters peroxisomes and converted to hydroxypyruvate by transmination. So serine plus alpha ketoglutarate, serine aminotransferase in with give rise to hydroxypyruvate plus glutamate. So hydroxypyruvate plus NADH plus hydrogen, so give rise to glycerate plus NAD plus, so hydroxypyruvate is reduced to glycerate in presence of NADH and hydroxypyruvate reductase enzyme. So the lastly that glycerate enters chloroplast, glycerate enters into chloroplast, uh, and is phosphorylated to 3-phosphoglycerate in presence of ATP. Glycerate plus ATP, glycerate kinase enzyme, and 3-phosphoglycerate plus ADP plus hydrogen plus. For every carbon, for every 4 carbon atoms bursted due to RUBP oxidation, 2 molecules of phosphoglycotate, 1 molecule of 3-phosphoglycerate, 3 carbon atoms and 1 carbon dioxide molecules are formed. It means that out of the carbon wasted by RUBP oxidation, 75% recycled by PCO cycle and this reaches Calvin cycle as PGA. So photorespiration reduces the carbon fixation rate of photosynthesis. It is to 50%. Hence during photorespiration, quantum requirement, high oxygen and low carbon dioxide increases. Rate of photorespiration increases with temperature. Differences between the photorespiration uh, photorespiration uh, so so photorespiration, it contrasts to normal respiration. It is enhanced in presence of oxygen. Ordinary respiration is saturated at 1% oxygen, while photorespiration rate increases as oxygen concentration increases. Normal respiration takes place in mitochondria, while photorespiration takes place with the help of chloroplast, peroxisomes, and mitochondria. So the normal respiration energy released by oxidation of substrate is stored as ATP. It is used for other synthetic activities. It is called as a catabolism driving anabolism, whereas the significance of photorespiration is not at completely. And the energy released in photorespiration is vaster as heat energy. So hydrogen oxygen is not formed in the ordinary respiration and transamination reactions are not involved in it. The photorespiration H2O2 is formed and ultimately oxygen is released. Glycine, serine are formed in transamination reactions. The substratum of of basic respiration, maybe carbohydrates, proteins, fats, or organic acids, whereas in photorespiration substrate is glycolic acid formed due to oxidizing activity of rubisco. So basic respiration takes place in all cells, but photorespiration takes place only in green cells. So generally basic respiration in takes place in all cells, but photorespiration is only in green cells. So the photorespiration in plants it is still a matter of controversy. According to one view, it has no significance except that carbon is obtained again as carbon and oxygen ratio, it is less in the atmosphere. According to another opinion, under high light intensity and low carbon dioxide concentration in cell, uh, closure of stomata under water stress conditions, ATP and NADPH formed in the high concentration are used photorespiration and protect the photosynthetic apparatus. Some evidence for these opinions are obtained recently uh, in some species Arabidopsis. So mutants without photorespiration died when they are shifted to ordinary atmosphere from 2% of oxygen. Similarly, the experiments using transgenic plants also proved that photorespiration protects green leaves of C3 plants from photooxidation and photoinhibition. So the the uh, the photorespiration, so photorespiration means it is the ordinary respiration. Photorespiration takes place in only green cells. The so the respiration means first identified Decker in 1955 in plants identified the release of carbon dioxide by soybean plants in presence of light and oxygen. So the several experiments proved that green plants in presence of light absorb oxygen similar to ordinary respiration. So release the carbon dioxide or taking oxygen and release carbon dioxide. So in this type of respiration taking place in presence of light, it is called as photorespiration. So and exchange of gases is similar to ordinary respiration. So it is called as PCO cycle. It is so the oxidative reactions and the partial recovery reactions of the fixed carbon. So that is called as photorespiration carbon oxidation cycle. So that is called as PCO cycle also. So PCO cycle it is helps to recovery of portion of fixed carbon dioxide lost due to oxidative reactions of Rubisco. So carbon dioxide and oxygen complete with the reaction center of Rubisco, but in atmosphere the oxygen 25%, 21% is present, carbon dioxide 0.03% present. So photosynthesis 25 degrees centigrade photosynthesis and photorespiration takes place in the 3:1 ratio. So PCO cycle, these are the peroxisomes, mitochondria and chloroplast. So so the only the So this is respiration, photorespiration. So the So normal respiration takes place in mitochondria, while photorespiration takes place with the help of chloroplast, peroxisomes, and mitochondria.